paper. All right, we got the screws. And it comes with a little screwdriver too. Okay. Now I'm just gonna check to see if I have all of the equipment, and then we'll get started. Y'all, I got a little ahead of myself, but this is where I'm at right now. So I'm on number 4 of the instructions, which is this piece right here. And this right here is steps 1 through 3. Y'all, I'm literally stuck playing Tetris with this thing because following these instructions is not fitting. So I'm just trying to like piece it together on my own, because this little piece right here, I think I might have this in the wrong spot. It's the only thing I could think of, because yeah, I need to figure this out. I think, yeah, I figured it out. So there's 2 little holes in one, and that's where number 2 gets inserted in, but in the picture you can't tell. So boom, this is what that looks. This is what diagram 2 looks like. So it's actually like, you know, your girl got 2 tiers. Hello, we're getting there, y'all. Bam. Now I just have to put the top on. Is it this way? No, I think it's this way. Okay, and then we're almost done. I think I gotta put some screws in. Let me check the back. Oh no, there's no back. So I am not sure what the screwdrivers are for. I guess for extra security. But I don't know. I'm not putting nothing crazy. It's super sturdy. So it's completed. So let me turn it sideways. There are holes here, which I'm assuming is for screws. But I really don't know if I want to add the screws, because like it's super sturdy. But yeah, all done. I'm gonna clean up my desk, organize it, and put the computer on top and see how it does. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Even if you don't use it for a computer to put on top, but definitely a desk organizer, it's really, really nice. So yeah, I'm excited to set it up.